Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching your private TikTok account to a public one. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open TikTok and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Tap the three lines button in the top right corner, then choose Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap Privacy. The first setting here is to enable or disable a private account. Tap the toggle to disable it. Tap Switch to confirm that you want to change to a public account. Your TikTok profile is now public, and anyone can watch your videos and follow you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.